I worked with 3 different contractors and I lost almost $50,000. $50,000. Not just only money, time also. Hi everyone, my name is Tracy Fang. I own ALOHA Beauty Lounge. We do nails, pedicure, lashes and eyebrow microblading, facial, and much more. I have been in the nail industry for, I would say, about 19 years. ALOHA has been open for 15 years. When I take over, there's only 800 square foot, one unit. I just have a vision, look at how I want it, and I just add a little bit at a time. I had to put the towel on the wall by myself, and I also put the sink. I'm one of the salon in town that offer a lot of different services besides manicure and pedicure, which is every salon have it. So we do lashes, microblading, and in the future we also do Botox. So I decided to move to my own place and build the shop that the way I want. I work with 3 different contractors and I lost almost $50,000. $50,000. Not just only money, time also. Just for architecture, just for drawing the place, it took almost a year. When I met UnikPlace, they got pretty much everything that I want. And I heard TJ talking about that, the way how he do the business, how he built a nail salon. And that kind of interesting, so I called him. I explained to him my situation, then he solved the problem for me. He can answer all my questions, actually, and make me feel really comfortable to go with UnikPlace. I feel like I'm not worried about anything else. All I just do, working and making money, and UnikPlace take care of the rest. All I do, I just tell him that this is the color I want, and I wanted more country look, but also a little bit of modern, and he got it exactly how I want. I'm not so stressful about how it's gonna be look like, when it's gonna be finished, and where to buy the furniture, where to buy all that decoration. And UnikPlace is very much offer for everything. And most of the contractor I talk to, I feel like in my gut, I feel like maybe you worry about you're gonna lose some money, but with UnikPlace, I'm not worried about it at all. I'm really excited to have a new salon. Time is, like you say, time is money. And I think everybody's really busy. Busy with their kids, busy with family, busy with their job. So if my salon can provide all different services, so it really saves people money. I would recommend it to most nail salon owners.